The origin of Chuseok is traced back to the agrarian society. Chuseok is a traditional Thanksgiving festival here in South Korea. As I've been here for a couple of years, here is my experience that I want to share with you all. In a hustle bustle, busy world, the people here make it a very important tradition of getting together as a family during this occasion. The tradition is going to the father's house, that is, to the paternal side, and having a good quality time with friends, cousins, and relatives. Dear friends, we often pray like this: Our Father in heaven. In Aramaic, it means Abba. In Greek, it means Pater. In Korean, it means Aboji. In Tamil, it means Appa. Each of us refer to the Holy God as Father. What kind of a Father did Jesus address to? He addressed to a Father who breaks all bounds of human patriarchy and presents an image of a Father that goes beyond anything his culture expected from any human father. He is God, not a man, the only one in our midst, and he will not come to destroy, but to construct, as recorded in the scriptures in the book of Hosea. Jesus called God Father and defined this term in the parable of the prodigal son. No, the parable would be good if it is renamed as the waiting Father. Dear friends, this is the only legitimate understanding of our Father, and any other definition is a rejection of the teaching of Jesus. Henry Nouwen wrote regarding the Father in this parable. This is not the picture of a remarkable Father. Rather, this is the portrait of a God whose goodness, love, forgiveness, care, and compassion have no limits at all. This extraordinary title of God affirms a personal relationship with God, where you and I can address as a child and also as a worshipper. When using this phrase, our Father, the child and the worshipper is obliged to look down the pew and across the world and see brothers and sisters in every land. Only in the unity of the family of God is the title, Our Father. We believe Jesus Christ will return someday, but when he comes, he will surely ask us account how we lived. Therefore, let's make each moment a mindful and accountable moment. Thanks for watching, and may this be a blessing to you. Bye bye.